Niko na maswali mkoaje lakini. So topic ya leo ni do you believe that in today's generation mostly like ladies and men wanaingia kwa relationship just because of money and not love?
In this generation,
Today's generation, right? Yeah.
I would say 75%. I think that is the main reason some of them enter into a relationship. And another percent, we cannot say eti kila mtu anaingia kwa relationship juu ya do, but kuna watu wanaingia relationship juu ya do. That is the fact. Yes, that is my stand.
Kuna watu like wanaingia
kuna watu wanaingia relationship juu ya do. Na kuna watu wanaingia relationship juu ni genuine. They know what they want.
Kuna watu wako kwa relationship. Swali yangu ni kuna watu wako kwa relationship.
Si ndio?
And if you're in a relationship unafanya nini?
Kwa nini?
Mtafaa kwa relationship.
Okay. I don't think.
Why?
I don't have an answer.
I'm saying mademo faba kimademo chelo bakimachali.
Azi si hivyo. Like how can I put it? Your entanglement, yani the serious one. Ndio sidhani.
So when ni mtu kama Igonga, you believe in we meet, we offer ourselves the services, everybody go where you are going.
Why are you surprised? Why are you surprised?
You're deadly.
Today shocked me.
We're in a relationship.
But honestly, it's not. I think that to answer your question, yes. Like people are in a relationship because of money. 90%, in fact 95% today.
I think
of ladies.
No, let me talk. Cause vile mna head. I think what is whatever people are trying to put out there, that women nowadays are so full of ambitions, they want money, they want the good life. Wanaume siku hizi tu wanataka tu wasichana wataweka vizuri nini. I think tunapoteza point. Cause the moment you enter into a relationship, tuache kujifanya we are not supposed to play our roles. Me as a girl, I have my plate, I am supposed to fill the plate. Sindio?
Yeah.
You as a man, you have your plate, you're supposed to fill the plate.
Sindio?
Yeah. Mimi najua mbona umeingia kwa relationship na mimi. I have services that I will offer. You also, you're supposed to play your part. Sindio? Yeah. As much kuna nido, hapo mtu anashanga.
What of a scenario when someone does not know what their plate is holding and what they need to fill in their plate?
I think that's their problem, because why didn't you not ask?
It's a problem.
You're supposed to make it clear. Clarity before you start things. Clarity will take you a long way. Clarity. The moment wacha nikwambie
inakuja na nini
you can never
priority.
No, you can never start a job
people pretend.
without having a contract.
People also pretend.
No.
People pretend.
So as to why people pretend is the priority. What do you prioritize?
Yeah. True.
So if I prioritize thing A and maybe you want thing B, I'll show you that I want thing B so that I get thing A.
I think we are in a man-eating society where like I am here not because I want, like this is me, you know. Like I will put on this mask because I have something that I'm aiming from you, you know. Like I want something from you and I can never come straight like yo unajua nataka kukudishi by the way sitakupea like sitakupea aje sasa nitakuwa dry as hell.
I started by asking.
You rather say
No, hata si kusell, like I will be dry as hell because at the end of the day I'll be like msataka tu kunidisha nitoke. You see, na mimi tuseme priority yangu ni I want a long term stuff, I want marriage, I want a relationship that leads to marriage. And this person ndio anajua udembe there kuna vile anakuanga hivi na hivi. So I will play my cards right. You know, like we are living in a poker world. You know, I can never throw my cards at you. You see that, hey, these are the cards I'm holding. I will hide them, like at the right time, I will pull out the right cards. So I will be like, wacha nitamuingiza box. Dates 2-3, nimwambie hivi, you know, lazima ni paint the paint. You know, lazima ni paint before vile Nikki present inakuwa bot.
Do you know why I started by asking? Are people in a relationship?
Yes, they are.
Because you
yes, they are.
Whatever unasema, hiyo kitu umesema si relationship.
It's a relationship. How many people? No, that's a relationship.
If you go with that kind of mentality,
you are with friends and they're still manipulating you and you don't know they're manipulating you. Many. You have a lot of friends are manipulating you every day and you can never know it because they have a mask. Wanajua umse by this saa tu anatuanga form. Lazima nikwenda umse. So that's still a relationship.
Can I tell you something?
Yeah, we're in a man-eating society.
Can I tell you something?
Spade a spade.
Can I tell you something? That there's a point where how can I put it? There's a place if you put yourself, someone will not come and manipulate you easily.
Excuse me. First of all, it's not about the place.
Yes.
Second of all, we are all manipulatives in our own ways.
How?
Your mom is manipulative. Let me tell you where it comes from. Your mom will manipulate you, and you grow subconsciously knowing. Umse lazima ni mtrick one way. You see how your mom used to niambia ukweli na sita kuchapa, and then you naively you're like, ni sawa nilikula hiyo nyama, and then she beats you. First of all, she manipulated you.
True.
And then you will grow with the thing of, I think this is the thing I'm supposed to have. Like I am supposed to have this identity of manipulation kidogo. Do I get what I want? And it's not bad to have manipulation tactic. It's not bad because you go to jobs and you have to manipulate the interviewer to do your job. You know, like it's not a bad thing, but what comes like kuikuwa mbaya, it's when it becomes excessive, like inakuwa like yani like uwezi kaa tu uja manipulate mtu.
Because if you do anything umefanya for a long period of time,
mbona si manipulate mse?
Mbona nakwambia unataka umesema hivyo ukianza utotoni with manipulation and do it for 20 years. By the time unafika 20 years, you can be a robber because you can even manipulate the government.
Yeah. And
experience yako itakuwa juu.
Okay, mbona manipulate?
Watch up for God. We're in a man-eating society. We are here for survival. Like everyone is trying to survive.
So
like you have to have this smart mind
where can I ask you a question?
I have to manipulate you to jua.
I want to ask you a question.
Ikitu ni ukweli ama ni uongo.
I want to ask you a question. What if you find yourself in a situation whereby you meet a guy who has money, and this guy have shown you that he's serious with life, and he has money, unaniget? Will you dive into the relationship?
I will dive full head because of money. So what nikwambie I am happy for money.
Who did you date last?
Relax.
Because vile unasema hii maneno.
This is personal. Relax. Hiyo ni personal affairs. Let me tell you, from the word go, from before Jesus came to the world, we grew in a world where men were supposed to provide and women are supposed to stay at home and do the house chores, nurture, you know, that's our nature, that's your nature. And then we came to this other world of feminism where we were fighting for rights for women to vote, women are supposed to work, women are supposed to have their own thing going on, and it was ruled out. And then we started voting, we started doing everything. And then we evolved and evolved and evolved. Now, we are in a world where men don't want to provide, and women want a man who's ambitious, wants a man who wants, like, anataka mwanaume anajua, kesho kuna deal nafai kuvunja, kesho kuna kitu nafai kufanya, by this time nafai kuwa nimefanya 1 2 3, by this age nafai kuwa nimetengeneza 1 2 3, nafai kuwa nametaka mbao kwa bank and stuff. You know,
so wewe unaingia
we live in a society that ladies contradict themselves.
Yeah, true.
Then, like for example, someone like Gigi anasema anaingia in a relationship because of money.
No, you're misquoting me.
No,
you're misquoting me.
No, you say where you see money, you have to die.
As in,
You say,
You're
said if you see money, you die.
The other part were, this guy is committed. Ako serious.
Let me now
Don't msitoe hizo maneno. Alikuwa serious.
Kwa hiyo relationship.
Sema do is important.
Important. What do you mean? It's
Okay.
let me now not use you as an
Don't do that. Yeah, please.
So we've got ladies in our society, and I'm seeing even this happening in our country.
Yeah.
It has happened before. So a lot of ladies know that when I'm getting into a relationship with this guy who is having money, I'm expecting 1 2 3. But now they don't figure out what the motives of this individual is towards them. Like sasa kama mwanaume for example, hujui ako na motive gani. We've got devils with money.
Yes.
So yata kupea do because
that is what you want. Yes.
Yeah.
And then the same ladies ikiwaramba huko mbele, they now come parroting
and paint everyone as everyone is a dog.
and paint yes, exactly.
Paint everyone that everyone is a dog. That is it.
Men are dogs.
In such a scenario, I think it's high time we started calling a spade a spade.
True, but don't you
Ladies
think?
enter into ditch that they can't get themselves out, and the society imeportray hiyo image ya like it's the lady's word against the man. Unaona? So like yeye alikuwa anakuja akijua ni hii na hii na hii ndio nataka. Mimi nitakuja ni kuplay. Then anapata yule mwanaume ako ahead of him. This is what you want. Okay, I'm going to give you. But you don't know the motives behind. So ukipata ume lose, now you come out ukianza
kupiga parawanja
because
like you have lost in your own game. That's what I'm trying to say.
Don't you think like it's okay to be naive and then ukienda uko mbele you get to learn what you are not supposed to do. I think it's okay.
But why should you risk?
It's not a bullshit.
It's a risk.
At the end of the day, you're also risking.
Being naive ends where you can't differentiate between a red flag
and a green
flag.
Yeah, true.
We've got people who ignore red flags. Na uwezi wa correct.
Utamwambia nini?
Anaona tu hivi.
Si lakini red ni favorite color yake. Red si ni favorite color.
So we'll take not to red.
Si ni favorite.
You see like kuna dem for example. Kuna dem anapenda dingo.
Dingo ni nini?
Mwizi. Anajua chali yangu huko wa mwizi. But the way uchale ana take care of udem haizitoka kwa Ikeja.
Atatokaje? Wewe utatokaje? Utatoka uende wapi?
But wewe mwenyewe unajua hii kitu one day itafaka.
Let me tell you something about this beauty when a man gets to provide. There's always that beauty. Like you're like an umbrella. Unaona vile ukishika umbrella when it's raining maji hizi kumwagikia. Your man is an umbrella and it comes with different shapes, different colors, different materials. You know, like there's a man who is made of a wooden, yani za chome. Yana kuangananga issues akibana meban to ashes, and there's this other man plastic. Yeah, kibana na melt. You know, like I think when a man gets to know like his place in a woman's life, and provide, and nurture them, like ako hapo like cheerleader nini. Pia udem anakaa. Utakosa kukaa relax. Unamwambia kwa ukienda tu usishikwe man support bana utakosaje
ukienda usishikwe bana unachali yako ni mwizi wa simu
urudi bana
na level ya wizi sasa mwizi wa simu sure
anaiba my iPhone unajua iPhone yao kama wale walipapale ni nyamaze kuna mlejera ngine lisikia tu afa na akasi my phone ucho my iPhone inalekea mudhurwa
imesafishwa
asubuhi
nishapata hata mwenye ananunua
haziwezi around chuani
gani
bro kuna simu bwana maybe ni mwizi mjinga
at this point bila tajaribu
unaweza iPhone 2
so nililala jana what expect nilale leo na umeka iPhone vibaya 2K because I don't need iPhone
you just
I need what can help
yeah.
me but 2K can help me
immediately
back to our topic kitu nilikuwa nasema ni hivi for me I would say this no one wants poverty and no one wants to stay where they doesn't feel happy
true
but that should not be the case of you entering a bad relationship because now kwako unakunyonga ugali na chai na ugali sasa you want to go and drink tea with smoky ama nini kebab so you also lazima before you make that kind of move lazima ujiulize am I ready for the consequence unajua in everything vile umesema everything we risk
we risk
so in everything we are doing we are risking hakuna mtu anasema ngaiti I'm sure it hapa itakuwa fiti
true
you just go and try if it works ni sawa isipo work tuangalie place nyingine inaweza work so kitu nasema ni before you make your risk ya kusema uchali yako na do nataka kukaa naye kwa relationship jiulize risk ni gani consequences ni gani and am I ready
true
siku yenye tafika siku yenye ataniambia kanyaga nje na bag yangu will I be ready to accept that siku ataanza kuacha kuprovide aache kufanya kila kitu will I be ready for that so mimi usema ngaye you pia personally as a lady put yourself in
and why is it about ladies peke
si hatuwezi tafuta mademu yako na gaji ndio utatafuta hakuna mwanaume ashaitafuta mdemu yako na do mademu yako na do ndio utatafuta si tunatafutwa
nitasimama hapa kwa kiti ngojeni nitasimama juu ya kiti
nifasi wewe kwa kiti
as a woman hiyo nataka Gigi na Asha wanijibu as a woman where do you draw the line between a man who is a provider and a 50-50 kind of sharing or shareholding in the family I'm not an advocate to a 50-50 ati mwanaume alete 50% dem alete 50% but when do you draw the line between now this is a man who is a provider
I don't think we have to draw a line because a provider is a provider. It's the same asking like where do you draw the line between a woman and a mature woman? You can never draw the line. A woman is a woman. A provider is a provider.
Okay, what can a man do for you to know that okay, this man is a provider?
A provide.
It's
a simple question. It's a simple answer. Provide.
Like not
provide
everything.
what?
Provide.
What are you saying?
Like
What are you saying?
a man is supposed to
wewe unasema point mbili hapa. Asha ana point straight. Asha kuuka hapo. Asha anasema lazima provide. But lazima
ata provide it's okay.
Mwenye atashinda kura niko na yeye.
First of all, let me bring this. What should a man provide? Let's start from there.
That's what I'm just asking.
Unajua tukiongelea about provision. Nyinyi vile naona hapa wawili naona mna focus on finance.
It's not about money. But
naona nyinyi mind yenu ni
acha nikwambie.
Let me tell you one thing. Unaona ile the other lady who trended mwenye alikuwa na semeti eti simu nimepatia bwananga anaitwa sijui nani Rono. So you can find that. Yes, you can find that. Let me give you this scenario. The husband of that woman, maybe she is a farmer who is doing farming. So hizo ndizi huyo mama anauza, maybe huyu jamaa plant. You get it? So akipea huyu mama enda uze ndizi na huyu mama amebuy phone amempatia. Is not that woman eti na sasa huyu mwanaume ni mnyonge.
We didn't say that.
Number 2. There are some men that he cannot have finance, but is a man who has mind.
Yeah, true.
Anaweza sema, hii situation yenye tuko nayo babe, instead of to focus kutafuta kazi nini, we can focus even on our farming and still make a living. There are people I knew that paid school fees for their kids with just farming. So to be a provider doesn't mean that you only provide finance. You can also provide ideas that can make life.
Kuna tujibia swali yetu.
But nyinyi madam always wanatakanga mwanaume mwenye anipatie pesa, anaona ni kama ni nguruwe.
Lakini uchangie sawa. Plus, wacha nikwambie.
Lakini do is fake way.
Angalia mwenye unachagua. Uwezi taka kati yanze hapa.
Let me ask.
Alafu uko hapa.
Hiyo na
class.
As a woman,
choose your right type.
What should a woman, according to the society, what should a woman bring to the
in the bus? Answer that question. Yo. Answer that question. What are you bringing on the table, you as a woman?
The table is yours.
The table is for who?
No.
Don't try. The table is. Acheni na hiyo maneno eti the table is yours. The table is ours. The table is ours. Me and you, the table is ours. What are you bringing? Half of the table is your own. Half of the table is my own.
That's why.
Bring your own, I bring my own. What is it?
Relax. Do you know?
When a man brings what they can afford to the table,
it's not a problem. It's not a problem. That's why I'm saying choose the right woman for yourself. You know, choose the right person at your circumstances zako, finances zako, ako able to put up with your bullshit. Mwenye ni wa klasi yako. Mwenye ukimpea 1 G's, ako happy, delighted. Ako tu like, wow. Hii ni bwanangu alinipea.
Back to my initial question. What does a
huo mwenye umesema tusipo provide anatoka ni gold digger.
Lakini si yako tu gold digger.
Anyone who is dating you for what you are giving her is a gold digger.
Wacha kwa gold digger. Wacha kwa gold digger. Uko sawa na niko sawa. You know how much a woman brings to the relationship.
You say you hate how much. What I've learned with you hate poverty with passion.
I hate it. Siwezi taka kwa poverty niendelee na poverty. We are killing it. We are tuna disconnect any spirit of wewe.
The spirit of poverty.
I don't want it. Watoto wangu pia waende shule na mvua. Please.
But why should you as a lady, instead of waiting to marry someone who is financially stable,
we are waiting.
Why can't you make your own money?
You get it wrong. Nani ana wait? Wewe nani ana wait? People are here hustling bana. People are hustling. Wewe
kuingia into a relationship just because of money.
No. It's a 360. Like it has to go full circle. We all have to go, like we all have to draw the circle. We have to meet at a certain point. As much as finance is a must, there's also other things that are important. You have to be respectful. You know, you have to also be right minded, like lazima ukuwe na sensible mind. Usiwezi ingia kwa relationship na mwenda wazimu juu ako na pesa. Napigwa na nyongo.
Tuseme what if kama the level of education iko chini but ako na do.
Ako sensible. He's sensible. He is sensible, okay?
You are bringing
he is of sound man, sawa.
You can't say you are bringing respect to the table. Na you expect I bring finances to the table. I'd rather you don't respect me.
What?
Yes.
Washeza na mdemu wewe. Talia, utakufa vibaya wewe.
As long as I'm doing what a man should be doing.
What is a man supposed to be doing?
A man is supposed to be doing what they are supposed to be doing.
What is it? Like clarify, break it down for me to understand.
A man is the head. A man is the one who.
Even if
who God speaks. A man is the one who God speaks to.
Even
wow. Hallelujah.
Even if this guy is not having money.
No, tell me what a man is supposed to do.
I'm saying the general thing that men should be doing.
Yeah, okay.
Men are naturally like decision makers.
True.
So ndo upate ule mse mwenye maybe aleti finances na wewe labda wewe ndo unaleta. As a woman, you should at least trust this man with the decision making. Kuja muulize, okay, kuna hii do fulani nataka tufanye hii ama mimi nataka kufanya hii na hii na hii. And usikie akili yake akwambie, okay, instead of kufanya hivi do hivi, go this direction. So as a man you need to be offering that, but the ladies that we have are money oriented. Like ukikosa do dem atakuona kama ng'ombe fulani tu.
You're generalizing the problem.
Ukimwangalia kwa nyumba
Relax. I think the problem
kambuzi ile
the problem that we have here is that you all think that women want money. Yeah, that is what
even you, that's what you say, that where money day.
That's what the society has.
Lakini wewe umtaki pesa.
Wana generalize in a way, wanaifanya inakaa vibaya ati wanawake tu wanakanga pesa.
How
many times umesema utadai mali kuna do?
What I'm talking about.
Umesahau, it has to go 360. It has to go full circle.
No.
It has to go full circle.
Okay.
What I'm talking about is what the system has taught us to accept. Like sisi system imetufunza.
But don't you think si kila kitu tunafai ku accept?
So prove it to me as a man that you are not like them.
Like, why should I prove? Unasahau nani ana hunt? Who hunts?
I'll treat you
no.
the way
Who hunts?
Do you know?
Nani anaendanga hunting?
Let me tell you. There's one thing you say.
Nani ni revia nani? Why are you forgetting that?
No.
Why are you forgetting that?
As long as the system is in your head, utajua like Ashaki can kuni approach like maybe we want to have a relationship.
Mbona Asha ku approach?
Before ata like ama nikimapproach.
Hey, wewe unamapproach.
Mind ya she is like all these things that system imetuambia sisi kama
na mbona umemapproach
kama I'm like
no.
There's always a distinction.
Musikie point.
Acha tusikie point. Acha tusikie.
Tusikie zenu unailea out vibaya.
Nikikuja ku approach Asha kama Gigi.
Yeah.
I'll be coming ile design ya I want to look at what the outcome may be. Anaweza kuwa fiti ama anaweza kuwa the other way. So it's like a gambling process.
Gambling.
Yeah, it's a poker.
It's a gambling. Najua nikikuja ku approach Asha niangalie okay what kind of a lady she is. So nikipata ni mse ako fiti, we can now start from there. Nikipata ni mse amekatu hivi then there's no
egonga.
So there is a story na common system imetufunza hivyo, like you can't just look at someone na umwangalie like okay this is a decent guy. You have to lazima uwe na ile mentality ya what if. Unaona ukijiuliza what if,
yes,
utajisaidia. Plan B, exactly.
Yes, because everything that has advantage must has disadvantage. Even because God will have not been God without Satan. So Satan is very significant if you're talking about God. So every person that has a positive side must have a negative side. So anytime anybody is coming into your life, you have to say, what if? Because that what if might happen.
That question is very important.
What if? But if you just enter as if you're going to date an angel, you get, sometimes you might get a guy who is genuine, has money, she want to marry you. Then after staying in that relationship for 2 years, upate kumbe mse alikuwa anafanya tu hizi nini za magendo. Kuna mtu anaweza kuwa maybe maybe ni broker mwingine, maybe saa zingine na broker hata vitu za uizi. So you come to realize that hii job anafanya si job yenye security yake iko fiti. So kuna vitu umekuja ku learn that kumbe hii nilikuwa naona city inakuja in a very good way. And that one also affect you as a woman because of your kids. You know, you have to check that. Huwezi sema tu because wewe you are enjoying money, who will be mentoring your kids? Because if you marry a robber, atafunzwa kuiba, and the next day wewe ndio utapigiwa simu na DCI, come and pick your son is dead, because the foundation is everything. So me, what I'm saying
I don't
is
think
this.
foundation is everything. Do you know how many girls have gone to church? Unajua ni pastor wangapi ni wa pastor, like, and what they do outside is something different from what they are doing at church.
So that's why back to what Blair said. You see what Blair said? That everybody has both sides. So you cannot condemn pastor because you saw him in the club.
We're just
or
it
you
out.
met a pastor with a lady.
No.
It's life. Pastor have slided. He will go back and rededicate his life to Christ.
So kuslide ni lazima.
People fuck up. People fuck up.
I don't think so. No, I don't think so. You can slide on other things. Uwezi niambia umecheat na unaniambia ki wa. Ni vile niliamka nikakuwa jana.
Babe, ukiona vile huyo dema alikuwa ananiangalia, babe, hata wewe ungekata. Ule dema kaniingiza box live babe. Babe. Usana kupigia story kwa nyumba babe. Ni shetani. Babe, imagine akaniingiza kwa bedroom akatoa nguo. Babe, wallahi nilichanganyikiwa.
Hata ingekuwa wewe.
Babe, hata ungekuwa wewe.
Hata wewe mwenyewe unaanza
usema by the way babe. Hiyo na hata mimi. Mpaka wewe mwenyewe unamwambia babe, by the way hata mimi nisingeacha. So guys, as we finalize on our topic today, the topic was, would you dive in a relationship just because of money? And tumeiongelelea, we have not come to a conclusion because everyone has his own opinion. So we also want to hear from our fans pale kwa comment section. Pia mtuambie nyinyi mnaonaje? Mnaona dema siangaike, ukiona place kuna opportunity dive on it, like actually before nini, wacha tuliseme kitu moja. Nilikuwa nasikia story nyingine ya Kamene Goro alikuwa na advice madams. Yuko mliona? Eti if you are in your 20s, date even 3 men or 4 men. Check who is it. Yes, alikuwa anasema online, uliona? Anasema if you have opportunity to date these motherfuckers, date like 6 and choose who fits your shoe.
Unaweza hata 10k tu, mwingine anakupea 10k. Chukua zote.
So that was his view.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, he was telling ladies because amedate wase wengi aliamua hivyo. So my final remarks was that, if you're a lady outside there and you feel like you don't want to suffer, go for what is in your heart.
Pakam.
Yeah.
Asha, tukiendelea hivyo, what's your final take?
For me,
money is everything.
Yes. Ati umaskini hiyo imekata, si ndio?
Generational curses cut.
Lakini ukiingia use your brain.
Yeah, true. Uwezi endea tu pesa tu ati.
Tunaenda tu hivyo.
Utanyongwa.
Kulwa, utatupwa.
Utarushwa.
Virginia, wewe hata sijui nikuulize final remarks ama nishajijazia. Money everything.
Money everywhere.